Good morning, Judge. My understanding from Mr. Weinstein was that there was some question about a juror potentially having seen some information on Instagram where they were being given nicknames or seating charts were being discussed. And so I'm trying to find out some more information from my co-counsels about that now, about whether it was Miss Sylvia. Is that correct?
Yeah, so I don't know that a juror saw it, but one of the deputies brought that to my attention yesterday afternoon. And yes, it is the woman who's named Sylvia who had a Rule 22. And she, I guess, in her, whatever you call those things, where they, I don't know what you call them, where they sit and they talk endlessly online. I guess, I don't know. Yes, was giving all of the jurors nicknames, and, you know, it was derogatory. She does not appear in the clip that I watched that the deputy brought to my attention. She doesn't appear to have really provided any kind of personal identifying information, but it was like, oh, you know, in the first row, we've got, and then smart alecky names for all of the jurors. And in row 2, we'll call them blah, blah, blah. My understanding is that the deputy has escorted her out when he found that out. And I'm thinking that when we've got Rule 22 hearing scheduled for Friday lunch anyway, that maybe we speak to her about that at that point in time. But I mean, that's what I know about it.
I understand, Your Honor. My only question was, we had gotten some information that perhaps Ingram had told her the judge that the jurors had been complaining about it. So we just wanted to make sure that the jurors hadn't seen it, hadn't had exposure to that video.
I mean, I can voir dire them if you would like me to. What we knew before was that, you know, the juror who we talked to a couple of times about a potential job change had people that she was close to call her and, you know, say, hey, you know, are you okay? Is everything okay? I heard something that sounded like it was you. So we know that, you know, that occurred. I don't know about anything else. I mean, if y'all have got information, if you'd please share it.
Judge, if you would, this might be more instructive, if you can simply inquire of the deputies as to where they got the information from,
sure.
That might answer the question for us.
All right. I can do that. All right, I've spoken to the deputy who had brought that issue to my attention yesterday afternoon, and he doesn't know it from any of the jurors saying anything to him. He had just observed it himself from checking on her page.
Thank you.
All right, sure, no problem. Is the jury ready? Okay, and do we have Mr. Sledge?